specials.
What? Say it again. Coconut special?
Roasted coconut special.
Oh, that's the good stuff. Alright, anyhow, today we're doing a family fun trip. We got crappie killer in the back, we got hybrid killer in the front, konerri again, and we're actually gonna go try to catch some giant bass today as well. So let's see how we do. Alright, so basically today we wanted to go bass fishing and maybe get some bonus fish, and it ended up being more like a bonus fish type of fishing trip. So there you go, man. This is like my fourth one. Yeah, we are keeping them today, so let's see. Show you what I currently have in the hatch. Bam! See, there's 2, 3. Keeping them today. White bass is a favorite amongst the Shong family. So, it's midday. Bass is slowed down. We're just basically throwing jerk baits. Water temperature is only 53 degrees. And I don't know if you guys can see that, but 53 degrees. Checking in a little bit. Yeah, buddy. That's what we're looking for right there. 20 and a quarter. Yeah, buddy. 3 more of these, and we're gonna lock up that online tournament. That's what we're looking for. What's what we're looking for right there? Big ones, big mamas, pre-spawn females. That's what we're looking for. It's a giant, beautiful specimen. Beautiful. There it is. Oh, there we go. Alright. Since we got some white bass, time to transfer them over. Oh, man. I mean, they like dead already, but... Oh, he's still wiggling. He's still wiggling. Oh, yeah. What you know about that? Dinner time, dinner time. Alright, guys. Let's take a look out. Let's take a look at today's catch. We're gonna make fish tacos. Oh yeah, look at that. White bass and hybrids, I would say, are the best fish for making fish tacos. So, you guys want us to make fish tacos? Let us know. We'll make fish tacos. Okay, this bass fishing trip has turned into a white bass trip. I've personally caught about 10 today, just jerking a jerk bait all day, and hybrid killer's on a swim bait. He's killing it, and his wife is also killing it. So we've probably got about 30 sand bass right now, and we'll see. I mean, we'll definitely cook something now. Alright, guys, remember that video about never give up, keep chucking? Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. It's nice, maybe 3-pound fish. Pre-spawn, of course. But this one's gonna be too small for the tournament. That was what, 17.75? Let her go. Woo, look at that. Of course, I'm fishing an online tournament, and on the online tournament, you only want to keep the top 5 for the month. So I caught a lot of big ones. I'll update them on the screen for you guys later, but caught some big ones, and currently I got a whole bunch of white bass. So I guess you gotta sift through the white bass. And here's a tip for all the guys that are wondering how I'm catching all these giant bass, winter months included. If you catch bass that are schooling bass, they're not going to be those 5-6 pound class that you want. Okay, so if you can catch the bass that's school with a white bass, meaning they're that competitive. They can school with the white bass, or they're actually eating the white bass. Oh man, you're gonna catch some nice ones, 4, 5, 6, 7 pounders. And a lot of times you want to be offshore when you're doing this as well. So that's gonna be my tip of the week. So if you guys want to catch big bass, don't think traditional bass fishing. Well, at least think of it when it comes to like fishing shallow cover. But when you're thinking, offshore type stuff, go find the white bass, and you will find the giant largemouth bass. All right, guys. See if we could catch another one for you. All right, man. I just wanted to get an honorable mention. Look at this guy. Woo! This is like my biggest white bass ever. Like 16 3/4 inches. Mondo white bass. Like most people would call it. Video 8 VHS size fish.